to separate the scooter into two parts to make it easier to lift. Middle button is pressed in, it stays in. Then there's these two black lugs with cutouts towards the center. You lift those up and lift the front away. Now, lifting this with two hands is always going to be easier than one hand. So there's lifting points just above the wheel and the handle. And the back of the scooter, there's two handles, same thing. Do lift with two hands, it's half the weight if you do that. It's not half the weight, but you use half the effort. Right, reassembling and putting the two halves back together. Really important that you make sure that these locking pins haven't been bumped and are not sticking out. You want them both upright, 90 degrees. Drop the scooter, the front of the scooter onto the back like that, and press these two down to lock in place. Simple as that.